Oftentimes, my client asks me to enhance the existing apps. This way, it's natural, subtle, and not fake. Adding apps and enhancing are two different things. Adding apps means replacing the original apps either from another photo or by generating it using AI. On the other hand, enhancement is making the existing apps more visible. Most of the times, my clients want to enhance it, and today we're gonna learn how to do that in Photoshop. The process is very simple. We can enhance it by dodging and burning, meaning by adding shadows and highlights. For the first example, we'll be using this photo. She already has some apps, so it is possible to enhance it. If someone has this type of belly, obviously adding apps doesn't make any sense. First, create a curves adjustment layer. Drag it down to make it darker. This is for the burning or shadows. Sometimes you may notice making it darker or brighter also change the color. In that case, you can set the layer blend mode to luminosity. This way, the curve is only affecting the brightness level. Now invert the mask by pressing Ctrl, Command and I. Now the mask is black, meaning the curve is not affecting anything. We can now paint certain areas with the brush tool. Before that, we need to create one more curve. This time, drag it up to make it brighter. This is for the dodging. We can change the blend mode to luminosity, but for this one, let's keep it to normal. Then invert the mask. Now select the brush tool. Set a lower flow like 10. Now paint. We're painting with white in the mask. We know in mask, white shows and black hides. Follow the already existing lines. Also, if you want, you can place an app's photo beside it for reference. You can adjust the curve anytime. I'm doing a bit more intense edit for this tutorial so that you can clearly see it. We can reduce the opacity later. Similarly, do the dodging. If you need to see the mask, then hold Alt option and click in the mask. This way you can clearly see the brush strokes. Of course, this is way too much. I will reduce the opacity. The effect should be very subtle. Let's do one more example. Same process here. We're gonna enhance the lines. Create two curves, one for burning and one for dodging. Select the brush tool and slowly paint with white. Reduce the opacity as needed. Very simple but effective and realistic. So this is how you can enhance the apps in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for new tricks and tutorials every week. Check my Instagram account for new artworks. And you can ask me questions on comment section or in my Facebook page. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.